Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I'm not going to do a tutorial. I may not even do one today. It's already late again. What we're trying to do is just make sure that we get all the orders out that we have before Christmas holidays. So we're trying to get everything out to you guys as fast as it comes in. So we shipped a bunch more orders today. Now the Graphic 45 pre-order that we had for the Blossom and Woodland Friends, that will be here tomorrow, and we will get that out. We've already got the packages ready, so as soon as it gets here, we'll slip the stuff in the packages and get those out to you too, so that hopefully, unless the mail holds something up, you will have all of your orders before Christmas. Let's see, what else was I going to tell you? Oh, we do have more of the Blue Fern papers in. You know, we had that big sale on those. We have shipped everything out that we had pre-orders for. That's all gone out today. So all those orders are filled, and then we just put the packs together and decided what we had left, and all of that is up in the shop now, and that link will be directly below. So if you want any of those, you can grab them, and then we'll ship them out to you just as fast as we can. So hopefully, if you're ordering for, you know, Christmas or something like that, you'll have everything. Now, I don't think that we have any of the Christmas cheer collection left. I think we had, let me see, we had the Spring Parade, we had more of that. We had a couple of different mixed packs. They'll have, you know, some of the same ones that the mixed packs before had in it, like the Homespun, the Heartland, and Montage. That'll be in one mixed pack, and then the other is Heartland. It's a solid collection. All of those will be Heartland, but that'll all be in the descriptions, and all of that will be over in the store. So if you want those, grab them. We're just going to try to get those out of here before Christmas break. Okay, I want to show you a little bit of Happy Mail that I got in. Okay, so what I'm going to show you now is just a little bit of Happy Mail that I got in the last few days. Well, I say a little bit, it's a lot. Betty Renfro, and this is Betty's Custom Designs LLC, and I think Betty is in Florida, if I'm not mistaken. Let me look. Yes, Tallahassee, Florida. She's not very far from me. Okay. And this is some packaging, I think, but I will be using that too. Look at that. That's thick paper. Very thick. I like that. Okay, let's see what all this is. Oh, look at this. A Tale of Two Cities. Not sure of the date on this. Oh, it's got to be old, because that's an old book. Tuckett's Ride. Not sure of the date on this one. That is so neat. Thank you. And then let's look at this. Pull this one out first. Success Unlimited, 1955. Oh, that's the year I was born. I might have to save that one. And then, what are these? Oh, these are interesting looking. What are they? Oh, they're like little cards. Oh, we can use those in our journals. We can make those, put a little bit of embellishing on there. Make those up. That will be neat. And she sent me tons. Look at that. And they're all different designs. That is so pretty. Thank you so much. I'm not going to take them apart because I don't want to lose anything. Alright, let me pull this out. Peter Pan. Not sure of the date. Oh, look at that. Oh, you shared some good books with me. Huckleberry Finn. Oh, no, that's got to be old. Look at that paper. Look at that color. And then this, these are out of some children's Bible story books from 1955. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love the smell of those old books. The House at Pooh Corner. How cute. Oh, I know just exactly what I'm going to do with that already. Junior Cookbook. BHG Junior Cookbook, 1955. Oh my goodness. You got a lot from the year that I was born. My. And then, what is this? Boy Scouts book. Oh, some music paper. And then business law. Oh, I wish I'd have saved all of my daughter's law books. That was from ever ago. You know, you can't resell those things usually because they remake them every other year and put new things in them. So she had a lot of law books, and I don't know, I ended up giving them to the library, I think, something like that. Oh, look at that. That's cute. I love that. Oh, napkins. Oh, these feel so good. Napkins, look at that. Those are beautiful. Thank you. We're going to be doing the napkins. I know a lot of you have asked me already when I showed that the other day about the napkins that got sent to me. When I showed those napkins, how it has that texture to it, a lot of you asked, could we do a tutorial on that? I am watching the videos now, and we will be doing a tutorial on that very, very soon. It may be after Christmas, but we will get it done just as soon as we can. Martha Stewart banners. Oh, look at those. Those are cute. Those are the banners that are in there. A whole pack of them, 11 pieces. That is neat. I like that. Thank you. And then more yummy paper. Look at that. Love that texture and that feel of that paper. Thank you so much, Betty. That is so sweet of you. I really appreciate that. You're sending me all these goodies. Wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to tuck your name right there. I'm going to put this back here on my desk. Now, this pack, this came from England, and this was some of the packet. It was in like 3 different packs. So I saved the wrapping paper. I'm going to be using that. I saved this envelope. We will definitely be using that to make a journal or something out of. And then it's in this beautiful bag. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Thank you so much. I can't believe you sent me this all the way from England. So, oops, we will keep that bag over there. Now, let's see. I think in here it tells me who it's from. Look at that. Oh, Santa. I have to use that in our journal. This is from Heather Kilprin, I want to say. K-I-L, is it P-R-I-N, Kilprin? Somerset, England. Oh, and you've got beautiful handwriting. My goodness, girl. Oh, her handwriting is gorgeous. Let me get to a spot where I can show you her handwriting, because I don't want to show her address, but look at that. Her handwriting is gorgeous. That is so pretty. Look at this card. Oh, it's got a little tag at the top. I've never seen a card like that. That is a great idea. It's very cute. I just want to show you. Let me fold over her address. Look at that. How pretty. Oh, I wish I could write like that. Her handwriting is gorgeous. On the outside of the envelope, my husband and I both just oohed and awed over how she had written the address on there. It was so pretty. I do not have a good handwriting. I worked too many years for a lawyer, and it was hurry, hurry, hurry. Best time ever. Look at these cards. They're so pretty. Thank you for all the journaling cards. And this little card is gorgeous. Oh, she's got one in here too. Look at that. That is so pretty. Thank you so much. Oh, how cute. Look at that. Look at her faux stitching. It looks almost real. That is a great job. Great job. That'll go beautiful in a journal. And there's her little cluster. Very pretty. I love to see all of these projects that you guys do. They're so cute. Oh, and look at that. It's just a collage tag, but look how pretty. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. Thank you so much. I know exactly where all of these will go in my journals. Oh, and some of these books, I don't have any books from England. I know they may be the same books we have here, but to me they're just special. I don't have anything from over in that direction, and I am so happy now I do. Oh, wow. These are old, old, old. Thank you so much. I love those. And this has got to be Edith Holden here. It is. Look at that. I love her pages. She does such a good job. And then some more books. Fighting His Way. More book pages. Thank you so much. Lloyd's Register of Yachts, 1915. Wow. That is amazing. Neat. And the paper feels so good and it smells so good. Okay, who else is a book sniffer? I am. Wood Bud, Fruit Bud. Oh, isn't that pretty? It's a gardening book. And then, oh, these are cute. Wow. I love these. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, how cute. Thank you so much for sharing with me. I can't believe you sent me all these. The Princess and the Pea. I remember reading that. Jack and the Beanstalk. Oh, wow. These are so cute. Thank you. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Thank you so much, Heather. That's so sweet of you. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I appreciate it so much. And then, look at this. She put a star on that paper clip. Isn't that cute? And we're going to clip that right back on here, so that I can put that in my journal. I'm going to put that in my December daily. And no, I haven't shown my December daily in a while. The reason being, I got a little bit behind on it, so I'm trying to play catch up. When I do get the days caught up in my photos and everything in there, I'll give you guys a flip through. Look at that. I love that. Thank you so much. I'm going to keep all that in there. And then definitely going to keep this so that I can use it. So thank you, Heather, so much for that package. I really appreciate it. Okay, now look at this goodness. Look at this goodness. This came from, if I'm not mistaken, this is from a Rustic Garden. And she lives in Illinois. Now, this package got taken apart, and I did have this little cut out on here, and I had it with this, so I'm hoping and praying that's right. If I am wrong on this, please let me know in the comments below. But a lot of times I don't open the packages when they come in because we get so many. I have either Brandon opens them or Whit opens them, somebody, and most of the time if they see it's for me, they'll cut off the label and put it with it. But sometimes the labels get moved around, and I apologize, but that's the way. You know, we have a small shop, so it's not like we have tons of people. It's 3 of us that work in here, 4 sometimes. So, but anyway, I'm pretty sure this is from a Rustic Garden, and she lives in Illinois. But look at this, what she sent. Oh my goodness. Will this not look beautiful on the edges, or even the cover of a mini album or a journal? I love this. And look at this. This is gorgeous. I don't think I could cut that up. That's too pretty. I just don't think I can cut that. I don't believe I can. That's too pretty to cut. I may use that as a table runner on my table. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. I love that. And then this is another one of those that we just showed. This is like a corner table, I guess, little runner, because it's like that. But that's cute. I can't wait to use some of this on some journals. And then this is an old curtain. Love that. You know, years ago I had some old curtains like this, and I should have saved them, shouldn't I? I didn't. That's the same. It's an old curtain. Lots of mini albums out of that. And then this is another one of those corner pieces. I guess they're corner pieces. I don't really know what you'd use these for. Like that. I know I can't show it all in the camera, but that's how it looks, like that. But it's really pretty. Okay, so that is all of that package. And I think that's all of the Happy Mail that I got in. That I'm looking around. I think that's all that I got in this week and last week. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for sending me this. I mean, you do not have to send me anything, but I appreciate every piece of anything that I get. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, don't forget, I will be back on tutorial duty tomorrow. I won't call it duty. It's not duty. I just said that. I will be back on doing some tutorials tomorrow. I have like 5 different things that I want to get done the rest of this week, and I have a large pouch that we're going to be doing. We're going to be filling them full of some ephemera that I have made over the days and times, and little journals and things, and then those will be going up in the shop for sale. So I'm going to try to get those done tomorrow, so that if you want one maybe for a Christmas present for somebody, then you'll have time to get it and get it in, get it wrapped and all that kind of thing. Alright, don't forget about the paper that we have on sale. That link will be directly below, and we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.